Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is quality enhancement for professionalization of teacher education. Let us try to understand the quality enhancement for professionalization of teacher education. Quality enhancement in teacher education are critical aspects aimed at elevating the standards and effectiveness of teacher training programs. The goal is to prepare educators who are not only well versed in subject matter but also equipped with pedagogical skills, technology integration, and a deep understanding of diverse learners. Here's an exploration of quality enhancement and innovation in teacher education. 1. Accreditation and standards. Establishing accreditation processes and adhering to set standards ensures that teacher education programs meet predefined criteria for quality. Accreditation agencies play a crucial role in evaluating and improving the quality of teacher preparation institutions. 2. Curriculum design and review. Regularly reviewing and updating the curriculum ensures that it aligns with current educational research, pedagogical trends, and technological advancements. A dynamic curriculum reflects the evolving needs of students and society. 3. Pedagogical approaches. Integrating research-based pedagogical approaches into teacher education programs enhances the effectiveness of instruction. Emphasizing active learning, inquiry-based methods, and real-world application helps prospective teachers develop a repertoire of effective teaching strategies. 4. Technology integration. Incorporating technology into teacher education fosters digital literacy and equips future educators with tools for innovative teaching. Training on educational technology, online resources, and digital tools prepares teachers to meet the demands of modern classrooms. 5. Field experience and clinical practice. Providing extensive and meaningful field experiences allows prospective teachers to apply theoretical knowledge in real classrooms. Supervised clinical practice, mentorship, and reflective exercises contribute to the development of practical teaching skills. 6. Assessment and feedback. Implementing robust assessment methods for both pre-service and in-service teachers helps gauge their progress and areas for improvement. Constructive feedback and support mechanisms contribute to continuous professional development. 7. Inclusive education practices. Preparing teachers to address the diverse needs of learners through inclusive education practices is crucial. Training on differentiated instruction, accommodations, and strategies for diverse learning styles ensures that teachers are equipped to create inclusive learning environments. 8. Research and scholarship. Encouraging research and scholarly activities among faculty and students contributes to a culture of continuous improvement. Research-informed practices and evidence-based decision-making elevate the overall quality of teacher education programs. 9. Global perspectives and cultural competence. Integrating global perspectives and promoting cultural competence in teacher education programs prepares educators to work in diverse classrooms. Exposure to global educational practices enhances their understanding of varied teaching and learning contexts. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.